What is so unique about this triangle sign and that roundabout sign? Can you see something unique in there, something which you have not seen before?
They're also in a square.
What else can you see which might catch your eye? Anything you can think of?
Would it also be the yellow background? Yeah.
There you go. Now, when we get a yellow background, what does that means for you? What is that telling you? Any ideas?
Rectangle, square sign tell you information. Am I wrong in saying that?
Okay.
So I don't think I know the answer to the yellow.
So less, a bit more open question. What is the yellow color normally in sense tells you guys normally?
It's an amber, so it's like a warning.
Amber, yeah, like amber weather warning. People don't really realize that the importance of this. Normally, you don't see a yellow background sign like this. You only see this if there is some serious warning issues there.
Yeah.
Why they put the yellow background signs behind that meaning? Because there were so many mini roundabouts we have done before, but we didn't have any yellow background sign. Why this one have got it? What is that kind of tell you? What that message conveying you?
You have to be careful around that roundabout.
Potentially, this one is a proper closed view from the both directions.
Okay.
So they're really telling you that when you're approaching, approach with cautious.
Okay.
So that means you may have to stop, which you have to stop.
Yeah.
But then lean your body forward. Then you might need to creep your car forward until you get better and then go right.
Okay.
That's one thing. Second, what we will tend to do there, that instead of going around the mini roundabout, the wide bit, they just go over it.
Okay.
We shouldn't be doing that. Now, what technique you can use on the mini roundabouts so you can go right without to go over the wide bit? What can you do when you're approaching, and how can you do that? Tell me.
Is it aiming for the left curb?
Yeah, so you're positioning a little bit to the left, even though you're going right, because you signal will be right, because this is a one lane only, is it not two?
Okay.
So if you position slightly to the left, it allows you to go around that wide bit.
Yeah.
Finally, if nobody coming from the right, there is no road ahead.
Okay.
Just about to go, what final safety check you must do? Quick glance where?
To my right mirror and my left.
You left as well. Now, do we have to give way on the left or not?
No.
But do glance, because what type of road vehicles, they might come very quickly and very quietly,
Motorcycle.
or cyclists or e-bikes. So just quick glance them just for the safety though. So I'm going to be going right.
Okay.
After 90 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the second
So
exit.
where would you position yourself a little bit?
Towards the right a bit more.
Did you not say a little bit more to the left?
Oh, yes. A little
Yeah?
more to the left.
So where are you going to stop? So now what you're going to do?
So I've stopped.
So now, because you can't see it because of the wall, what you're going to do now? Peep and creep?
Peep and creep.
So keep peep and creep for me. But main hazard coming from where? So keep looking there first. Keep looking there on the right first. Bit more about there. Stop. Is it better?
Yes.
Anyone coming? Go then. That's it. Does it make sense?
Yes. Okay.
Oh, there you go. Good.
Okay.